Okay, hi, it's Mikey. I'm going to show the lathe actually doing some cutting. I've been doing a little playing with it today. I've loaded a piece of aluminum stock that's 1 inch diameter, and it's 1.5 inches long. And I've practiced one cut before filming it just so I didn't blow it up on camera. And so now I'm going to extend that same cut and try to clean up that little imperfection on the end of the stuff. So I can get that into focus. Give me 1 second. Yeah, you can see right there at the tip it's got a little mess up. So let's run the job. Alright, so this is the control panel. This is the virtual control panel that I can use. I'll start the job with touchscreen. And so it's going to a home position, and it's going to tell me to load the tool. The tool's already loaded, so I can just hit cycle start, and the job will begin. It'll start spinning that up, and then it'll go over. And so I've set it to cut another 1/4 of an inch, and then the final pass will clean up the entire diameter that was already cut as well. You can see the aluminum getting peeled off. I'll try to get a couple different angles for you. I don't know if you've ever seen a metal lathe work, but this is how the tooling goes into the metal. And you can see it just peels off the aluminum. And then it moves, makes a cut, backs out, goes to the end of the cut, and then goes in a little bit farther, and then takes off more of the pass. And I got it set really shallow so that it will take a nice clean cut while I'm practicing, learning the feed and speeds and doing it under code. But it's making a really nice finish. And I've also programmed a final finishing pass. Yeah, see how it's cleaning it up. And again, this is just me. I'll step back. This is this entire machine just running by itself. Okay, now it's telling me that it wants to do the final pass. So it says load tool 2, which is a tool I set up, even though it's the same tool in the code. I'm just practicing when I can run multiple tools. So I'll hit cycle start. It'll start up the procedure again, rapids to the beginning of the cut, and it's taking a slower cut. And we're cleaning it out. And there it is. The job is done. So clean up the little chips off the tooling, and then I'll use my little control panel here and get the Z out of the way. So you can see the quality of the cut on the very end there. So it's pretty good. The imperfections that you're seeing here is because aluminum kind of galls. Plus this line right there is where I had done the original cut. Can't really see my finger there. Where I had done the original cut and then it began to do it. But there's the shoulder. I can get a picture of that. Hard to see. Try to focus. So it left a really nice shoulder cut as well. Next, I'll practice learning to do the face across the material this way. But yeah, getting closer. Setting a goal of trying to learn how to thread before my birthday on the 24th. This is my 50th birthday this year, so wanted to make it a pretty cool little accomplishment. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good night.